introduce myself. My name is Aulia Yunita Sukarno Putri. This time, I will discuss the best solution for students during a pandemic, online versus offline learning. Before discuss this topic, I will briefly discuss the COVID-19 pandemic that is sweeping the world. Watch the following video.
In December 2019, China notified the World Health Organization of several cases of human respiratory illness, a disease later named COVID-19.
Tahun ajaran baru 2020-2021 ini diterapkan sistem pembelajaran via daring atau online dan luring atau tatap muka kepada para siswa.
Why is this topic important to discuss? This topic is important to discuss because we are experiencing the current pandemic and now everyone is receiving a considerable impact from this coronavirus. Indonesia is currently hit by an outbreak of the COVID-19 virus or the coronavirus. This virus was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. This virus is contagious very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia. In just a few months, this has made several countries implement policies to impose lockdown in order to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. In Indonesia itself, large-scale social restriction or PSBB policy was implemented to suppress the spread of the virus. COVID-19 is a virus that causes disturbance in the respiratory system, infection in the lungs, and even death. The COVID-19 outbreak has had a huge impact, one of which is on the world of education. The implementation of the education system has undergone a transformation in various lines of activity, include learning activities, which are all forced to take place online. Online learning as the sole option in condition preventing the spread of COVID-19 give a special color during the struggle against this virus. Online learning is learning that is done online, using learning applications and social networks. Online learning is learning that is done without face-to-face contact, but through an available platform. All forms of subject matter are distributed online. Communication is also carried on online, and tests are also carried out online. This online learning system is assisted by several applications such as Google Classroom, Google Meet, Zoom, WhatsApp, and YouTube. This form of learning system is very filled with pro and con response from all circles of students, parents, but teacher and lecturer in chat room on social media. The comment from each of these groups have a strong message. The represent their opinion in responding to online-based learning activities during the pandemic. Online learning is a new experience. This condition causes students to adapt to the learning method. The implementation of online learning has a negative impact on students' learning outcomes. Some students state that during online learning outcomes decrease. I am here as a student, feeling less effective toward online learning. During learning activities, obstacles often occur such as unstable internet access, material during learning are not understood, disturbance from the surrounding environment make their learning interest decrease to take part in online learning, and limited facilities in online learning make it difficult for students because not everyone has adequate facilities. In addition, online learning does not only have a negative impact but also has a positive impact on students, such as after the implementation of online learning, the learning process can still run even in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Although in practice there are many obstacles, at least students can still feel the name of school. Online learning is considered more practical and relaxed. Practical because it can provide tasks at any time, and more flexible means that it can be done anytime and anywhere. Online learning causes more flexible time for students who are outside the home and can adjust their time to study. Save time and can be done at any time. All students can access it easily, meaning it can be done anywhere. The delivery of information is fast and can reach many students. I think online learning is currently the best choice because of our limitation to face-to-face activities. Access to online learning during a pandemic must also be carried out effectively, namely by manage time well, determine the atmosphere of the room for learning, prepare the necessary device, communication with teacher and study friends, and keep clean. Online learning has positive and negative impacts during the learning process. This can be seen from the various obstacles and advantages of distance learning. The negative impact of distance learning is that the network is not adequate. Positive and negative impact of distance learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Students do not understand learning materials. Students feel less enthusiastic about participating in online learning. Limited facilities in online learning make it difficult for students and expensive internet quotas. The positive impact of distance learning is that online learning is more practical and relaxed. The delivery of information is fast and can reach many students. Students are more interested in doing assignment, lecture, and students gain new experience related to online learning. In addition, we must always uphold health protocol so that this pandemic outbreak ends soon. Enough of my presentation. Hopefully the knowledge given can be useful. Thank you.